Hi friends, thanks so much for joining me today. I am going to be showing the unboxing for Your Creative Studio. This is the June 2023 box, and I was so inspired with some of the pieces. I'm going to show you what I started making after I finished the unboxing. So you can tell by the thank you card that they usually send that there is a floral theme this time. I now have a discount code for you for 10% off if you decide to purchase anything in their shop. I will have links to their website in the description box below, and you can of course use the discount code if you're interested. Now the box I'm showing you, you might still have this available in their shop. Usually I get the boxes a few months after they've actually been released, and so this one was the one for June. I'm loving these cards right here. They feel like handmade paper and they're very nice and thick. And of course, I'm loving the colors, the florals. It's just a beautiful theme. I can't wait to show you what I started making with it. And I'm just super excited because I got so inspired with all the colors and designs this time. I do have previous unboxings for Your Creative Studio on my channel, and I will link that playlist below in case you're interested in checking them out as well and seeing what I've done with previous subscription boxes that they have sent. And there's always such a nice curated collection, which is one of my favorite things. So I'm just going to keep showing you what was in this one, and you can kind of get an idea of the different elements that they've curated together for this box. While I'm showing you the pieces, I also wanted to remind you that I still have a giveaway open on my channel. I believe there's still about a week left for you to enter. Super easy. You just have to be a subscriber, of course, and just answer the questions that I have asked on the video. I will link that video below in case you haven't seen it. And I think it's just such a great way to, have something hopefully for Christmas coming your way. So I will link that below as well if you haven't entered. And of course, check out my channel for tutorials and craft with me videos. I am putting more playlists together as I kind of figure out how many videos go with what of things that I have made. And so I have quite a few different playlists right now, including, creating things with junk mail envelopes, one-page wonder projects, and that sort of thing. So I'm super excited about that. I also can't wait to show you what I'm doing for Christmas. So that will be coming up soon. And hopefully we'll be making a couple more projects in the next few days as well. These stickers here, anything that says Your Creative Studio on it is exclusive to Your Creative Studio, so you wouldn't be able to find it anywhere else. I thought I would mention that. Now these cards, I absolutely love them. I love how thick they are. I love the design. And they've also inspired another project that I'm going to be showing you very soon. I'm trying to figure out the process of, am I showing you the step-by-step or just basically the easy bits of putting it together. So I'm going to figure that one out, but I'll be sharing a video very soon with how I'm using these ones as well, because I think they're just such a great addition to this collection. This sticker sheet, I actually love it because it's different shapes already that have been pre-cut. Like, for example, this one here. And it all has the same floral theme as well, which is really nice. So I really love it when they include stickers like this and those nice, paper collections. They always have stamps as well as washi tape. And of course, they're just great stamps. It's that really nice, I guess it's red rubber. I think that's what it is. But it always, the imprint is always very nice and clear. I really, really like that about their stamps. These stickers that came in this little container, I absolutely love them. Again, they're going to be perfect for the project I'm going to show you. And as I said, I sort of started putting it together quickly because I was inspired with some of the pieces. And as I'm putting it together and going through the items that are in the collection, I'm getting inspired to, to add more things to it as well. So I can't wait to show you what I've been making with it, and hopefully you'll get inspired to create something even with your own, supplies that you currently have. These stickers, I love that they have that little gold touch to them. Super, super fun. And it just adds a nice kind of like classy touch to a project, I think, because it already has the gold to it. I don't have to add it. And then a couple of more pieces here before I show you my project. So don't forget to check out the discount code. I'm so glad they have set us up with the discount codes. It is like an affiliate one as well. It just means that, you know, if you decide to purchase something, I get like a tiny little commission from that. There is no extra cost to you at all. You'll probably be seeing most of us out there that are doing the Your Creative Studio unboxings that have the same thing. And so I'm just glad that they set it up for us. I'm really happy with that. I love the washi tape. It's still a little bit neutral, so I can use it with just about anything, but of course it goes perfect with the collection. And then the last thing I'm going to show you before I show you my project is the papers that they've included. And these are my favorite sets because they have sticker paper, they have like a nice textured paper, they have the vellum paper, and it's all like the 6 same designs, but printed on the different styles of paper. So that's always really nice to have. And it's just such a great addition to, you know, your scrapbooking collection or for your junk journals. Of course, the boxes already come curated, so you could use every single thing that's in here to make one project, or they just make a great addition to anything else that you're making. All right, so let me show you what I've been working on. Hopefully you'll get some inspiration, and then let me know if you want to see more after I show you what I've done. So here's what I started doing with some of the pieces. I decided to make a mini, and I've sort of started putting it together. I haven't decorated or embellished it yet, but just to show you, on the front cover, I used some of the sticker paper, and on the inside as well, I've used a little bit of that sticker paper. And then for one of the pages, I've added one of the vellum sheets. And let's see where else. One of the actual little pockets is one of the bags that some of the washi tape comes in. I made like a little envelope pocket here with one of the papers. And that's the other side of the little baggie. I've got just a little bit of journaling space there from the leftover off the paper there. And what else do I have so far? Here, I've decided I might just be adding this like as an embellishment on this little page. And you can see the background as well is from the sticky paper. And I love the sticker paper because it's just so, you know, so great that it already has, you know, a stickiness to it. The other side of the vellum right here as a page, and then another kind of flip out with the sticky paper again. And then this piece here is from one of the paper pads that came in a previous subscription box, and it just has like a bunch of little sheets, and I thought this one was great with the days of the week, and it was like perfect size for here. So that's what I've started working on. Let me know if you actually want to see the process, or you just want to see the finished you know, pieces. I'm loving the collection, of course, and I can't wait to add more and decorate. But I thought I would just quickly show you what I've been doing and what I was inspired to make with the June box. Questions, comments, leave them below, and I'll see you very soon with some more videos. Thanks so much for stopping by.